Class today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So then you click here on advanced. When you just click here on advanced here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, come here to single field edit mode, click in this sign here. Then like we said, it's color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.